Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of January 2022. So a happy new year to everyone, and in this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, let's get started. Aries, January 2022, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. What's going on with my Aries? So if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see Aries energy. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Nine of Cups. So this is your overall energy at present, what's going on. So this could be a feeling of some manifestation getting fulfilled, because somewhere you are really working on your old manifestations, like something which you really wanted from a long time, and it is coming towards a completion, and you are still positive, although things might be going negative, but you are still positive about the things, like it will happen, and it has to happen definitely. You are telling yourself daily that thing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so before that I'm going to check out the past energies. We have the Ace of Swords, we have Three of Cups and the Devil energy in the past. This is telling me a clarification of mind. Okay, it could be that you are really feeling somewhere about, you are thinking about some kind of a toxic relationship. This can be your old energies, because somewhere you were involved in some toxic relationship. It could be a third party relationship, but you were thinking about it, you were really unsure about it, but there was some clarification. You didn't want to leave the person with whom you were connected, and you didn't want to be with that person as well. So you were at a very big crossroads. So in the present we have the Hermit, Four of Cups and Three of Pentacles. Although you are still going through that process, I feel that somewhere you feel neglected, or somewhere you are the one who is rejecting the other person's energy. So just take as it resonates, because it can be vice versa as well. The third party situation is still going on for some of you, I feel, and some of you have taken some decisions, and you are in your growing period. Okay, you are in your peaceful time where you are healing. In the coming future we have Page of Wands, Queen of Pentacles and King of Swords. So if the decision hasn't been made yet, so this is a very beautiful time of the year in which you are going to take some decisions. You are definitely going to think more about from your head rather than your heart, and that is how it will work for you. So let's see what is there for you. What's up with the Nine of Cups? Why is it here in the reading for my Aries? Nine of Cups energy, please. Ten of Wands, Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles. There could be a child also involved in this reading. If you are married or your person is married, there is a child involvement of a child, because some kind of responsibility is still making you feel drained too much about that situation. Because of that, being responsible to other things, you are not able to leave a relationship in which you are involved, or it could be the other person also feeling the same with you. And more than that, I feel that something is about money over here, that you might be wanting money from this person, or not in the bad sense, but it could be like, I want money to grow, or I want money to take my child, to give whatever that child wants. I want to give a good education. So this could be only for some of you. And those people who are really working on, who are really studying, okay, so for those people who are studying at this time, and you are in a relationship at the same time, so you are really devoted at present in your studies more than the relationship, because you feel that you are not ready to give any commitment to a person who is with whom you are present. Yeah, there's lack of commitment in this relationship, definitely. And if this is a second party relation, third party relationship, this is definitely somebody else who is making you feel that way, where they are not ready to give you any commitment. Lack of commitment issues are here. Okay, so let's see the past energies. What is up with the Ace of Swords in the past? Eight of Pentacles, the Tower, and the Empress. Yeah. Okay, so you could have been gone through a very big fight with your person, and you really wanted, because you know that fight happened because you wanted to work on with the relationship, or you wanted that you should be the one who is present at first, and you are the one who is the main person. So you were working out, you wanted to work out, but somehow the other person with whom you were dealing with didn't want to work it out. It was more like a fight. It was more like you became the third party all of a sudden. You know, that feeling of being unwanted. Devil energy. Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. So yes, there's a lot of trauma, there's a lot of addiction involved. Your person could be addicted to something, or because of this you could have gone into something and you became really addicted to that thing. There was lack of give and take relationship in this situation, and you felt afraid. You were not able to take any actions in regards with the thing. Although you wanted to take action, you really worked it out, but it didn't work out. Somehow you just feel that you are the one who lost it. Tell me about the Four of Cups in the present energy. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. This person with whom you are dealing with, they are really lacking the commitment thing, okay? They are not giving any commitment. They are really slow in their nature. But somewhere I feel that if a person is not taking a decision around you, okay, or if this is you who is not able to take a decision right now, somewhere you really need to let it go, because if the more you will hold on to this particular person or the situation, the more you will not be able to work on other things in life. You are not giving priorities to other situations in life. What's coming up for my Aries? What's up with the Page of Wands here? Two of Swords, Ten of Swords, and the Strength. So wow, I feel that you are really, so you have taken some decisions, and this decision involves, somewhere it involves heartbreak, but it involves a lot of strength from mind and from within. You know that I am strengthy enough and I can take some decisions just by myself. But at the same time, if you are really thinking about the money situations, the money is also you are getting, okay? So if those people who are going through a process of divorce thing, because this involves divorce issues as well, something related with court things, and you are wanting the money to come back to you. If money is still on hold, so you are getting it back. Definitely you are getting the money, if money is an issue here. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Nine of Cups. So yes, I told you that money is coming towards you in this month only, and with the Nine of Cups, it's the manifestation which is fulfilled now. So I'm seeing you are showing gratefulness to the universe that whatever, because of your positivity, you are getting it, you know, because so many things are going around you, still at the same time you are thinking positive. Hats off to you. Tell me about the Page of Swords, King of Swords, King of Cups, the Hermit, and the Death. So yeah, the transformation is there, okay? It is coming towards you, and the soul searching, the being in the state of healing and being mature emotionally, mentally, from everywhere. You are becoming very strong and you are taking charge of your life now. Wow, I loved your reading, Aries. So that is all from my side, and I hope it helps. We are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.